In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Amazon Music on PC. We'll walk through the official Windows app from the Microsoft Store, an easy web option if you don't want to install anything, and what you can do once the app is set up, especially if you want music available offline. First, the official way is through the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. Open the Microsoft Store. This is the built-in app store on Windows. In the search bar at the top, type Amazon Music. From the results, choose the Amazon Music app. You'll recognize it by the familiar logo and the official listing. Click Install, or it may say Get, and let Windows handle the download. The size is modest, but give it a moment to finish. When the installation completes, open the app and sign in using your Amazon account. This connects your existing library, playlists, and any subscription benefits directly to the desktop app so you can start streaming right away. If you ever switch PCs, just repeat these same steps and sign in again to access your music. If you'd rather not install any software, there's a quick web option. Open your preferred browser and go to the Amazon Music website. Sign into your account, and you can start playing music instantly from the web player. This is perfect for shared computers or work machines where installing apps isn't ideal. Everything streams directly in the browser, so you can explore your library, stations, and playlists without any downloads. Once you have the app installed, you can stream music normally just like on mobile. And if your account includes Prime or Amazon Music Unlimited, you can also download songs for offline listening right inside the app. Offline content is stored within the Amazon Music application, so it's available when your PC is offline and won't appear as separate audio files elsewhere on your computer. Keep in mind that offline downloads depend on your plan and content availability. If something isn't eligible, it will show as streaming only. To recap, the Microsoft Store route gives you the full Windows app experience with streaming and, for eligible plans, offline listening. The web player is fast and convenient when you don't want to install anything at all. Choose the option that fits your setup, sign in with your Amazon account, and you'll be enjoying your music on your PC in no time.